Hello and welcome to Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Guys, today I will show you something about the hash ribbon, but we start with the Fear and Greed index for Bitcoin, and as you can see today, extreme greed, 93 points. It's extreme. 100 points is the most possible, and we have today 93 points. Yesterday, extreme greed with 92 points. Last week, extreme greed with 80 points. And last month, extreme greed with 84 points. All people are extreme greedy because Bitcoin is going to the moon. Okay, let's check. Uh, we are going into the coin market cap. And as you can see, Bitcoin is now on 45,600. Today, a minus about 2%. On 7 days, a plus about 19%. Let's take a look on Ethereum. Ethereum today on 1,760. It's going up a little bit. Yes, 2.20% in the minus. In the week, only 6% in plus against Bitcoin is not so good working. Cardano today, ADA 13.8% in plus and 111% in 7 days. Extreme. XRP in minus 2%, 2.7 in the weekly, 30% in the plus. Polkadot today 4% in plus and 24% in the weekly. The Binance coin is working really great, but today 14% in minus and on the weekly 134% in plus. Extreme. Litecoin in minus today. Chainlink in minus today. XLM today a plus about 2.4%. In the weekly 29%. Bitcoin Cash in minus 2%. Dogecoin today a light plus about 0.8%. In the weekly about 45%. USD coin, okay, it's not important for us. Aave on the weekly 24%. Today a minus about 6%. And I made a video today about very important for me, IOTA. This one, look at this. Today about 51% in plus. I sold IOTA today at $1.25 about, or 23, because IOTA is on a really big resistance. Please look at my video I made today. I show you there everything about IOTA. 165% plus in a week, and this was a perfect trade for me because I bought IOTA very deep, and now I made very nice trade here and good money. So okay guys, that's it for the coin market cap. Let's go deeper. Let's check not IOTA, let's check where it is, Bitcoin. And as I told you, today I will show you something about the hash ribbon band. So what is the hash ribbon band? Before we start with this TA for Bitcoin, I will show you the hash ribbon band. It's not so difficult. It's here named EMA ribbon. And if we are turning it on, you see here some nice green lines. And if we're going in a little bit more and we click on one line, and we click double on it, you can see what are these lines. These lines are EMA lines, and as you can see, the first line is the EMA 21. The 21 line is very important, and it's the moving average, the 21 moving average. In this opinion, we are on the daily chart, and 21 means we have here the line about 21 days. It's the average of 21 days. And you can see here the EMA 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and so on and so on. And as you can see here, we have EMA 200. And what's very cool here, we have a long and a short signal. So if you zoom out a little bit, you can see here is our EMA 200. Look at this, how low this line is. We are on the daily chart here for Bitcoin, and look at this. We are very deep here. Just take a price label at here, and as you can see, damn, the EMA 200 is about 22,200. And keep one in your mind, guys. Okay, we are in a really nice bull run here. You saw here a long signal, and never you saw here a sell signal, so a short signal. It's a very nice bull run. But take a look at this, guys. it's important for me that you can see this. We never come back again to this EMA 200 line. Never. Here on this dump, this was the Corona dump, we were under this line. And as you can see here, always, but really always, we come back to this line. This was the big pump here in 2018, and as you can see, we always touch the line again and again and again. This was the really long 2 years of dumping here, and then we touched it here, we crossed it here, and it goes up. We crossed it here, it goes down, and now as you can see, we are on a long way up here. This is a long way down to this line if Bitcoin may come down here. It's clear that the EMA 200 is a very slow line, and it will go up and up and up. As Bitcoin is, maybe it's going sideways, this line is going up and up and up more. Okay, so I think it's not so difficult to understand what is this ribbon band I'm always talking about. That's the moving average, that are moving average lines, and for me it's important. You can see it here, they are working as a support or they are working as a resistance, and you can see it perfect here on the daily chart. We had a really nice pump here, it's going down, and this hash ribbon band was the perfect support here for us, and we touched this last EMA line here, this one. Let us take a look. What's that for? What a line that is? That's the EMA 55. We touched the EMA 55. It was a perfect support. We went up, down again, 55 and up. So I use it very often, these ribbon bands, to see about what are we fighting for. It's the daily chart for USDT. Let's take a look on the hour chart, just to watch what about this ribbon band. And now, as you can see, very interesting. This was the mega pump we had. We come down, touched our ribbon, it's going up, touched it again, up, and this was the big fight. This was the 1 hour fight with the ribbon band, and Bitcoin lost the fight. You saw we were under this ribbon band, and now Bitcoin is back, fighting back against these EMA lines, and now Bitcoin is over these EMA lines. What's a very bullish sign for me. And in my opinion, it's very possible to go up here more and more and more. But let's go back to the 1 day. Let's turn off the EMA ribbon and let's take a look about Bitcoin. Let's make a little TA here. So this is our wonderful uptrend channel. Wonderful. Okay, don't sing. Okay. Here it is. Here it is, from the deepest to the highest, and from the highest here. Okay, this is our beautiful uptrend channel. We are working perfectly here. As you can see, this midline of the uptrend channel is acting as a support or as a resistance. Here it is the support line on this beautiful pump here, and the support line and support line, and here it was the resistance. Here it was the resistance, here it was the resistance, and here Bitcoin broke this resistance of the middle line and it went up, and now it's coming down again. So possible for me, if I watch at this on the daily, that we may touch this support line again. So we can make a price label here, 42,000. Why not? Why not to see 42,000? If we see this uptrend channel, it's possible to touch it from here and go up to the next point. Very possible, in my opinion. Why not to touch this one here? That's the bottom of our big uptrend. Why not to touch 34,000? Keep it in mind, it's possible. As long as we are in this beautiful uptrend, everything is fine, everything is nice, everything works great. But attention, we should not break down here from this uptrend. We are still on the daily. Let's take a look on the MACD. Everything is okay. We are in the green region here. We have no crossing. Everything is fine. EMA ribbon, perfect. We saw it. A very big space between the EMA ribbon and our candle. Looks everything beautiful. and the buy and sell indicator, everything is fine. You can see the buy was here and we are in a good trade. Okay, that's for the daily chart. Now we're going to the 4-hour chart and we take a look about this. So what do we see here? Perfect fitting the uptrend channel. Okay, we are deleting it for this time so we can maybe see a good pattern here or something like this. What I can see here on the 4-hour chart, and I showed it to you in the last videos, I see here this cup, this handle, and this breakout of this cup and handle pattern. That's very possible. For all guys who are watching my videos the first time, please watch my video about 1 or 2 days. I showed you this possible cup and handle pattern and the breakout of this and the target of this. Okay, we are not talking about it again, but we make one thing. We are checking the EMA ribbon, and now it's important here. The long position here, the short position here. Okay, we are in a good long position. Let's take a look on the EMA ribbon. You can see Bitcoin is fighting with this ribbon. Ribbon is our support here, and Bitcoin touched it sometimes. So take a look at this. If you are trading Bitcoin, Bitcoin should not go under this line because that's very bearish. You can see it here. As Bitcoin went here in the 4-hour chart under this line, we are going down to we went down to 28,000. That was the big dump here, and now we have a support line here. The support line is maybe, and that's not so good to see, from here to here. That's our green support line momently. And as you can see, it's very deep here. If Bitcoin will going down, that would be about 30,000. That's a really, really big dump. Nobody would see, or no one would like to see this, but everything is possible. It's Bitcoin, guys. Let's take a look at the parallel channel. We are drawing it from here to here, and we are drawing it to the highest point. And so you can see this parallel uptrend channel on the 4-hour chart. We broke it here. But we come back again in this channel. So that was a point here on the big dump. I would never buy here. I told it yesterday, never buy on the uptrend channel, always buy on the downtrend channel. It depends on the time frame you are trading. If you are trading in long time frames like here in the 4-hour chart, good buy opportunity here. Okay, cool, but not here. You see we are coming down again. Now it's going up. Maybe we break out this channel. Okay, very nice. If we break out, we can make a new channel here, from here to here and here. That's a little channel that may be possible to break it out, and we have a new uptrend line here. Okay, then it's a good point to go in here. But here is the big resistance. So I would not go in here and make this little trade. We are in the 4-hour chart. Even we are going in the 1-hour chart, it's better to see here what I mean. In the 1-hour chart, we are in a nice uptrend. Here was the long position, and if you bought here in the long position, you are long here. Okay, it's perfect. And with this uptrend channel, it's very possible to going up more and more. Perfect. But if you're going down from this and you see the short signal, I would sell here, because of a possible breakout here to the middle line or to this line here downwards. Let's take a look about the MACD. The MACD here is very, very nice. You see here, or you see here, yes, you see here the crossing. And if we are turning on the buy and sell signals, we should see here a buy signal. Perfect. The buy signal is here. Here is the MACD crossing. Here was the best place to buy. Here was the good place to go long. You saw here the uptrend channel, the end of the uptrend channel, a sell, perfect sell, and now a buy, and possible it's going up. That's the 1-hour chart. And let's go to the 15-minute chart for the fast traders. I'm trading this 15-minute chart very often. I find it very nice and cool. So let's delete this stuff and let's take a look at this. Okay, you see it here. Here was the cross. Here was the good place to buy. A lot of people bought here, I'm sure. My problem is that we are forming now a triangle, and I show you here a line from this to this. That's the red line, it's the resistance line, and we are forming a line, or we're not forming it, we are drawing it from here to here. As you can see, this is now our triangle pattern. And in this triangle pattern, you know it if you're watching my videos for a longer time, we have a possible breakout zone and a possible breakout target. We are drawing it from here to here. If we are breaking down this target, maybe here on this side, you see here, that's our possible breakout target. You see, that's no magical thing here. It's just simply TA, simply drawing, and you can see here, maybe we see a breakout from this triangle to 39,100. Okay, that's a big dump, about 45,000, no, 54,000, sorry guys, 54,000 to 39,000, that are about 6,000 US dollar. Don't forget that we are trading in a high range with dollars. 6,000 US dollar, we see maybe here a dump if we are breaking out from this target. So we are in the middle of the target, everything is fine. Don't worry. What we can draw here is a support line from the deepest point here, from the breakout point here. And what can you see, guys? That's the confirmation. That's the support. Not perfect. It's not perfect drawn here, but you can see what I mean. It's the possible support here. So it's very possible, if you're breaking down, to reach 39,000. I would sell a buy order here. If we are breaking up from this to this, you can see the target here. And we saw this target sometimes again, 51,500. If you're breaking up this target, this triangle here, the next target could be the breakout target here, about 51,500. Can we make a confirmation from it? If we are drawing a parallel channel from here to here, to the highest point here, then we have not here the target for the 51,000. Maybe it would spike to here, but we have here this target about 50,100. So if I would trade this triangle here, and I will trade it, and I will see that it breaks out here, or maybe here. If it's breaking out here, it would be fit perfect to this uptrend. It depends always where the triangle is breaking. And guys, we need always, if it breaks out, a confirmation. Always. It's important to see a confirmation for a breakout. So if we are looking like this, we are coming here with a candle. We see this candle, it's a green candle. A candle is always straight up. So, okay. And now, that's not the confirmation. First of all, the candle has to close over this red line. That's the first point. And then the second thing is, mostly we see here a downgoing of the next candle. It's a red candle maybe. The red candle would touch this resistance again. That would be the retest of this triangle. And if this happens, we have a confirmation breakout. The candle have to close over this red line. That's very important. And if this happens, guys, go in, jump in, take all you have. No, take never all you have. That's a really boring thing, guys. Never trade with all you have. But that's a really good sign here to go up to this, maybe to this target about 50,000. So guys, I think that's enough for today. You know all your targets, possible targets for upgoing, possible targets for downgoing. You know anything about the hash ribbon. You know anything about EMAs. Let's go. I wish you a very, very, very nice time. I wish you nice trades, profitable trades. And I hope we will see us on my channel, guys, on my Bitcoin Trading Infoman channel. That's that channel here. Please visit me It's always online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week here on Twitch TV, Bitcoin Trading Informant, or on YouTube, always live, guys. I'm in the chat, very nice guys here in the chat. You can see here writing a lot of guys here. We have a really nice little community. I like them all. Every guy, every girl, all persons here are really, really, really nice, and they are supporting me. And I hope we can see or we can read us in this chat. If you need anything, write it here in the chat. I will help you, or my nice community will help you with all. If you like to trade with Binance. Binance is a very, very, very nice trading platform. I have a donation link here, not a donation link, it's a registration link, and you are supporting me with this link, binance.com/register, and so on and so on. Click it on this link and you are supporting me. Make your account there and try it out with a little money. Don't use all your money. Don't use money you can't afford to lose, because you will lose money. We all can't make always good money. We are all losing money. But the important thing is, if you're making 10 trades, you should make 7 or 8 trades in a positive sign. 6 trades always okay, but 5 it's not so good. So believe me, this is a very nice stream. Join me and we will read about us. Guys, have a nice day. Make it good. Your Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant.